My name is Mike Landgren. I'm a licensed independent clinical social worker and a member of the NGH since 2019 when I took the class with Pat McIsaac. This year, I'm very pleased to say that I'll be presenting for the first time with NGH at the conference on Sunday, August 9th. What I'm going to show is a technique that I use in my clinical practice. I call it the family tree timeline. Now, this comes out of the work of family systems theory from Dr. Murray Bowen, social worker Virginia Satir, and popularized by Dr. Monica McGoldrick in her works with genograms. For many, this might be a refresher. For others, this might be the first time you're seeing it. What is the benefit? The benefit is this will help you with your pre-talk. You'll be able to identify immediately patterns that have been happening within the family structure. You'll then be able to use this when you're actually doing your hypnosis with your clients. So please come join me in my class, even just to meet me. I look forward to that.